You're at the Centrelink office. The cunts are right there.
I'm going to the
Fuck
fucking
off,
doll
mate.
room, mate.
Fuck off, cunt. Get out of me car now.
Where's me
Get
bloody
out
doll?
of me car
I
now.
don't know where I am. I'm asking ya, where do I get on the doll? If you would kindly stop being a fuck.
We're at the
And tell
fucking
me where to go,
Centrelink,
cunt.
you cunt. It says it right here, dickhead. Fuck you. Get out of me car, mate.
Nah, oi, it said.
Get
oi,
out
it
of
said.
me car now.
Oi, it said.
Get out, you dumb cunt, now!
Why you yelling at me, you cunt?
Because you won't get out of me car, you dumb cunt.
You can't yell at me, mate. You are not to yell at
Zero.
me.
Zero.
Do it, cunt. Do it. Do it, you poofter. You are facing.
Piss off, you bloody wanker.
are
Get
facing.
out of me car.
Nah,
I'm
boy.
facing a fucking drongo. Get fucked. Cunt.
You are.
Cunt.
You shouldn't scream at me, you poof.
I'll fucking talk to you any way I want, you dumb slut.
Fair income.
Fucking oath, I will. You're just a massive shit cunt.
Where's me doll?
You're at a Centrelink. Go apply for your dole and fuck off, you stupid mole.
What's going on, cunts?
Can you get this slut out of me car, please, mate?
Fuck.